Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will make this beautiful bird's nest with crayons. This is something new. Please subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed, hit the bell icon to receive the notifications. So let's get started. For this tutorial, you will need a simple drawing sheet, a ruler, pencil, eraser, and a sketch pen. So for the colors, I am using plastic crayons. These are so colorful and vibrant. And I use Faber-Castell erasable plastic crayons. So you can make this bird's nest using any colors, plastic crayons, pencil colors, watercolors, or anything. So let's get started. First, I will draw the borders using pencil and a scale. So make neat borders. So leaving some white border enhances the whole picture and it looks little neat. This is what I usually do. So it's done. So if you can see at the top right corner, I have my reference picture. We will start with the hut like nest. So you can draw with me, or if you feel like, you can pause the video at some places, complete the drawing and then move ahead. Draw a nice circle. You can take help of any circular object to draw this circle. Now we'll draw some bush or grass. So it looks like a hand. Then the tree branch. Now let's start with parrots. Draw two eyes. The head part. Then the beak and body part. For the second parrot also we'll do the same thing. Two big eyes. Head. Body. And the tail part. Then the beak. So the drawing is done. You can take your time to complete the drawing. So after you are done, now I will use a black sketch pen and draw all the outlines. Make neat outlines. Don't worry about the pencil marks, we will erase them. Now let's erase all the pencil marks. So use an eraser and slowly erase all the pencil marks and remove all the dust. Now let's start coloring. First I will use light green for the tree, leaves and bush. So when you color some part, first make the outlines of the shape and then fill the color inside. Don't leave any white spaces. Use the color in circular motion or horizontally or vertically. So it's very important that the color should not come out of the outlines. Light green is done. Now brown for the tree branch. So very carefully start at one place and then complete one portion and then move ahead. Do it slowly. So using the same brown, we will make some lines on the tree house. So make vertical lines. So when you are making over the circle, draw the line, lift the color and draw the line below. So on the circle, make imaginary line. It is done. Now we will use yellow ochre or mustard or golden to color this tree house. Let's start with the background. So we will use blue for the blue sky. Sometimes it's difficult to color large portions. So for that, first color all the boundaries. So make the boundaries. And fill all the smaller sections. Yeah. Now use the color only in one direction, and this is how you fill the color in bigger spaces. Move your hand left, right, left, right. This way it is very easy to color in large portions. Remember to color only in one direction. And we are almost done. Here's a colorful, vibrant crayon artwork. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please do make this, and if you make it, please share it with me on my Instagram. Share this video with your friends. If you like this video, please drop a comment and a feedback. Also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.